Hello everyone, today I have Season 2 of Attack on Titan Limited Edition here with the special collectible box. Unlike the other seasons, Season 1 or Season 3, this only comes in one part, so it's a much smaller box. This box set has been out for a couple of years, but I recently got into the series, so it has been discounted quite a bit, particularly for the holidays. I managed to pick this up for around $30. As usual, I'll put the product link in the description where you can find this. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take off this shrink wrap. And immediately the back piece of paper, the insert, comes straight off. So let's take a quick look at this. So the contents include Blu-ray discs as well as DVDs and extras on both DVDs and the Blu-rays, with most of the specials on the Blu-ray discs. These are region locked, unfortunately, to DVD region 1 and Blu-ray region A. So this is more geared towards the US market. Okay, so let's take a look at this lovely art box here, following with the overall theme as Season 1. We now have the emblem of Wall Rose there, and you can clearly see Attack on Titan Season 2 on the front, the spine, as well as the top, so it's clearly visible wherever you choose to display it. The bottom just gives credit on the important members to make the production possible, and then on the very back we have a peek at this Jaw Titan, and not trying to spoil it too much, but there it is. Okay, let's take a look at the contents here. So we've got the digipack with the discs and the artwork, and then we have a separate artwork book. A little bit more on that a little bit later, but we also have a little bit of advertisement that's all crinkled up in my particular box set. This is a little bit old, but this is advertising their video game. Okay, so here is the digipack. The cover is probably one of my favorite designs of all of the limited editions. It has a lot of different things going on this front cover, with Eren fighting the Colossal Titan. You can see it up top, and then you have the three main characters on the bottom as well. And here is the spine. On the top we have the Garrison Regiment emblem right there, staying in tune with the previous limited edition's overall format. On the very back we have a picture of Armin in action. Opening it up, on the left side holds the Blu-ray discs, and then the right side holds the DVDs. Something to note is if you were ever to get these discs damaged or lost, you can actually just buy the regular version of the Blu-rays or DVDs, and they'll come with the same design artwork, so you don't have to re-buy this expensive limited edition if you just wanted to replace some discs. So let's take a closer look at the discs themselves. Again, here are the Blu-rays. Disc 1 on the Blu-ray has Armin, Disc 2 has Jean, and then for the DVDs, we have Eren on Disc 1 and Mikasa on Disc 2. It's worth noting that if you want to see all the special features, you will have to watch it on the Blu-ray. The DVDs only have the iCache gallery as well as some trailers. With the disc removed, you can see there is a good amount of space between the stacked discs, so you don't need to worry about them getting scratched up while they're in the packaging. Unfortunately, this design also means that the top button is going to be floating, so it's a little bit easier to snap off, as it did on the right side with my DVDs. After just using it a few times on the same day that I unboxed this, the button had fallen off, so I'm definitely looking to get a replacement for this defective item. But let my experience also be kind of a warning to you if you decide to pick this up. Be a little bit more gentle with these plastic buttons. But anyways, with the discs removed, you can see the background art, which is very similar to Season 3. I also did a unboxing video on that if you're interested. It's a topographical sketch of the area between the walls. So now let's just flip through the included artwork. So we've got the Jaw Titan here, and we have the picture of Wall Rose. And then inside we have, starting off with some interviews, starting off with the director of Season 2 and also some staff interviews, including the head animation director and even the original writer himself, Hajime Isayama. The following pages have more artwork, including sketches and also character profiles. Some of the descriptions will have some spoilers, so I recommend reading this after you finish watching Season 2. And then the next few pages are just some nice full-blown colored art. Okay, so that's the digibook here. And now here's the extra wonderful 60-page colored art book. The exterior resembles the notebook of Elise's notebook. If you watch the OVA on that, recommend watching that. It's pretty cool. Anyways, flipping it open, you have some more lovely artwork. There's the textless art of the front cover. And then we have, again, further even 2-page full-blown colored art. Really beautiful stuff here. I'm glad that the included art in the digibook has mainly the text, so you can really enjoy this full-blown textless art book that's separate. There's some really scenic shots, and then it kind of moves on to more individual character art, as well as chibi style art too. And then the final art page is like with everybody you can possibly think of, with Eren in the middle in that very famous stance. So that's it. That's everything that comes in the limited edition of Season 2. Unfortunately, they don't have the lenticular card anymore. Would have loved to have seen them continue that, but it seems like it's only reserved for Season 1, Parts 1 and 2, which I also will be doing videos on, so make sure you subscribe to my channel to see those. But anyways, if you're interested in picking this up, as usual, the product links are in the description, and I can anticipate this might be discontinued very soon, depending on when you're watching this video, of course. So if you're really interested, definitely don't hesitate on picking this up.